Hello there everybody, Sam and Lucas here. Welcome back to the railway. Welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'll be reviewing
the rail freight distribution livery class 37. I'm here as well. I'm JBW456 who owns this. So I've given it to Samuel's Locos for this video. I've literally only run it for like 10 minutes because I just got it before I actually came here. So haven't had a huge run around with it, but it is quite loud. Might have to do a comparison against the LMS Patriot class.
Yes, although yes, it sort of sounds like the Class 43 diesel, which I'll be running also today. Now, this is number 37673. Now, in case you're wondering, I noticed the last time I saw one of these liveries was when Britannia was leaving the Sunbury Railway, and this, funny enough, this same livery was actually at the back of the actual train, which is quite amazing. Right, let's get down to the detail zone and find out what amazing detail this Lima train has.
It's very good detail.
Yeah, I can already tell it's a very good livery train as well. Right, let's go down to the white background. So here we are at the white background with the Class 37. Now, already the detail is a very, very, very good detail. For 1980s locomotives by Lima as well.
It is a very good loco. I should mention I did buy this off of eBay second hand, and it's from the 1980s, so it's incredible detail. Yeah. And it's very good condition.
Yeah, very good condition for, what is it now? 42 years old now?
Yeah, 42. Well, I don't know when it actually was made. Was it 1980?
1980.
Yeah, it's 42 years.
Yeah. This, what was the livery again?
I think it's rail freight distribution.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Before I think the very first distribution livery was, I can't remember what year it was actually made for this livery. It's got to be something back in the 1970s, probably the late 70s. Already I could tell by all the doors. Yes, they're very good etched doors actually, and well, already the exhaust panels here. I just put my finger over it and I can just feel it. Oh, these ones I can feel it. Well, actually, all of them. You've got a bit of a fan at the top, which I quite like it on that. Nowadays you have this sort of the red ones actually move as well. Obviously no sprung buffers, obviously. The bogies are very good already. I'm looking at the detail. That's very good standard 1980s bogies. You want anything to say?
Not really, but I'm very much a fan of it after I just got it like a few hours ago. So
yes. And hang on, we've got a bit of a visitor. Sorry about that. Right, anyway, so the detail on this Class 47 is very, very good. I noticed one thing, that it's got stars on the end of each end. Now, I didn't know what they meant, but up until a few days ago, I actually did find out what they were. They actually means what type of, couplings actually go up to. I remember something about on the Sunbury Railway I went to last year, that apparently they use them on their Class 17 diesel. That they have to use it for particular coaches or rolling stock or wagons, that sort of thing. And well, anything else that doesn't have the exact same star, well, it's unable to couple up to them. So that's just a bit of a fact for you there. Right, let's test this locomotive down the track for the first time. Is it not the first time? No.
I did do it for like 10 minutes instead, but that's about it. So
yeah.
First proper running session, I suppose you could say.
Oh yes. Right, let's get on the track. So here we have the Class 47 down onto the track, ready for its first test run. On my layout, that is.
Let's get it going.
So let's get going, yeah. Oh, very good. Right, let's take it back the other way.
Had a bit of stumbling now.
Yeah, it's a bit like it's not. Yeah, it's not the best runner in the world. At least it runs though, because you don't want a locomotive that doesn't even run. Do you?
Yeah.
I mean, my JB3s I don't think you've already seen in the Steam Galas I've done. That is an absolute terrible runner because it doesn't even run. And also the motor, it's already went down. Like that. It doesn't. Right.
But it is very good for its price. It's about £50 I got this
Oh,
for,
wow.
which is very good for the detail but
And
obviously there won't be downsides since it's such an old motor.
Yeah. Right. I think it's time for the slow test. Right, put it as... Okay, that's probably as slow as it can go. Okay, it's cogging a lot. Cogging. Shaking. Yeah, it's very good. I mean, later I think it's time we now you said about how noisy it is. Test it, put it to its full speed.
Let me show you all.
And now back the other way. I mean, that is a pretty lousy locomotive.
It sounds like a lawnmower or something.
Right.
Maybe I'll bring it back.
Now, I'm just going to do a little bit of a quick test. Now, take the, if you would, take the Class 47 off. I'm just going to get the worst locomotive in my collection I've ever had, or other people call it the absolute paranoid, a Patriot class. Obviously, it is Lord Rathmore, the noisiest locomotive ever built in the history of British Railways. What a mess. Onto the track it goes.
Now, what I'm thinking is, if we can combine
and also
the two of them.
Yeah, well, first of all, we're going to do the Patriot on its own first.
Okay.
And then we'll just go on to the 37 next to it.
And then we'll do them both at once and see how loud we make it.
And also, you want to watch out for Delta because that'll be running as well. Oh, spoiler alert. Oh.
Completely forgot about the Delta.
Oh! Okay, that is even worse than I remembered.
It is horrific. I haven't heard it in real life yet.
Oh! Hopefully you got your fingers in your ears.
Oh, that is awful. I'm very I'm very humbled, but my 37 isn't very loud.
Yeah. Okay, that's absolutely incredible. I can't get this down. Right, put them both on the track now. Right, I'm going to take this Class 35 Delta off the track for a minute.
Okay, you know what, I'm going to pause it and we will get back to you soon.
So here we have them both down on the track. Right, you're going to be operating the Patriot class. Now I'll operate the 37. Right, let's see the noise comparison.
Let's go.
Let's go out.
And the Patriot class.
Right, back with the Patriot class. So you cannot hear you can't hear anything. Oh, the Patriot class is cut out. Yeah, there's... Uh-oh. Okay. Alright.
I think we've had enough.
I think we've had enough of that.
Let me just move it back to the middle. Hope it won't screech.
No, it won't do it at slow speeds. So we have our comparison between the 37 and the Patriot. Oh dear. That's the most horrible noise I've ever heard from the Patriot. I think it's because I haven't run it for some time, probably for maybe 2 weeks now. So obviously the motor has been coming down slowly. But anyway, let's get the 37 coupled up to some coaches.
I'm thinking wagons, you know.
Yeah, we could do mixed traffic.
Yeah, could be an idea. We'll leave it as a surprise.
Leave it as a surprise. So here we go. So here we have the 37 down onto at the station, ready to pull its freight train today. So let's get this 37 off on its journey with some mixed freight. And here we go with the 5th Class 55 Deltic with some Pullmans. And something seems to be wrong because it's now derailed.
I don't think it's rocking on the track. We didn't move it off.
Right, okay. No, it's going backwards. For all my...
Backwards.
And the 37 has managed to pass the crossing.
There we go.
And there we go.
And
Yeah, and also, one more thing, we can also get the Class 33 diesel going.
And it's all diesels here.
A diesel running session for you. And so there goes the 37 on the outside track here. The 55 is coming around the corner now. And 33. Good shot of them there. Oh, we've got 37 going back round. I'm going to see how well this top's going. Aha! That's quite good, that is. Do you think?
Yes.
Right, let's try a shot from up here. He got the 55 under the bridge. The 37 is just coming around the corner, and there goes the. Oh, we've got another derailed coach over there. I'm not going to manage to stop that. And there goes the 37.
We got a coach who came off. And another coach.
And
the. Oh, it's going so low.
Okay, we've got a bit of a problem over here. Hang on. And so with that, that's what we're talking. What is going on?
Something always. No, what is this? What's this up?
Yeah. So I've got time for today, everyone. So with that, I'll see you next one with some more unboxing and reviews.
And it may be a Class 66.
Yeah. Wink, wink. And with that, have a good rest of the day, everyone. Wait for the Class 47 to come past the station. Here.
And to the first
Here he comes around the corner. Yep. And have a good rest of your day, everyone. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.